Hello, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to have a look at how to reverse park or parallel park. The object of this manoeuvre is to park behind a vehicle within a space of 2 car lengths whilst looking out for other road users. There are a variety of different methods to do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest and best one that I've seen. But there is no perfect method, and the method that you learnt on your driving lesson might not work in your own car. So make sure that you use your own judgment too, being ready to steer more if needed. Towards the end of this video, I'll also show you what to do if your parking is going wrong, and how to correct it. We first need to make sure it's safe to start the manoeuvre, so we'd have a good all-round check including a blind spot, we'd signal if needed, and then we would drive alongside the car we're going to use, reasonably close, getting your left-hand door mirror lined up with the back. Start with the front wheels straight. We will now put it straight into reverse gear so the white reverse lights come on behind, apply the handbrake, and then have a good all-round check to make sure it's safe to start. Once you check the back window, we'll then slowly go back until the front of the other car disappears into the door pillar of the passenger side. Now sometimes the other car might be facing the other way, in which case you would then get the back of the car disappearing into this door pillar. This is your point of turn. So now we would put the handbrake on and have another look round as the front's going to swing out. Once you've made sure there's no cyclists, pedestrians or other road users nearby, you then reverse back, and I'd recommend steering it one whole turn to the left. As you drive back slowly, eventually the bottom of the curb will appear in your left hand door mirror, and it will look like it goes underneath the door handle, probably about 1 inch. Now when it gets here, I'd recommend giving it 2 whole turns to the right, and this will bring your front in. You want to drive slowly but steer quite quickly. Now bear in mind that you are going downhill because of the camber of the road, so the car might speed up, so use your clutch control and the brake. During this manoeuvre, make sure you're observing constantly around you, stopping if anyone approaches. Now once the front of the car is in and it feels straight, we will then give it 1 whole turn to the left, driving the car slowly but steering quickly. Once the car stopped, you would then secure the car. And that's called the 1-2-1 method, so it was 1 to the left, 2 to the right, then 1 to the left. But what would you do if it goes a little bit wrong? Now this is where the left-hand door mirror will become quite useful, but be careful not to stare at it, as the main place you should be looking would be the back window. Now in the left-hand door mirror, I can just see too much pavement and too much grass. Now because of this, I know that I'm going to hit the curb, so I will steer more to the right to get away from the curb. Then once I'm in on straight, I will straighten the wheels to the left. So that's what happens if you're about to hit the curb. But what happens if you're going too far away from the curb and too wide? Well, again in the left hand door mirror, I can see too much road in between me and the curb. So I will steer this time to the left to get closer. Then once I can see that I'm parallel with the curb and straight, I will then straighten the wheels back to the left. But what happens if it's still a disaster? Well, don't worry, we have a backup plan. We can go into first gear, make sure it's safe all around, and we go forward. I've gone a bit wide, so I'm going to bring it in at the front, steering quickly but driving slowly, steer right a bit to get the back in, and it's parked. Well, that's how you reverse park. I really hope this video has been useful. If it has, then please give us a thumbs up, like at the bottom of the screen, and also subscribe for our latest videos, as it really helps us to make more. Thanks a lot for watching, really appreciate it, and see you on the next video.